This kit has been kindly supplied to me by Fanhome. If you'd like to build your own, there's a link in the description below. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 59 of Building Marvel's Infinity Gauntlet. In this issue, we're finishing off the middle finger after looking through the magazine, of course, as ever. This yellow is not very easy for me to see at the moment. The search for the Mandalay gem. I wonder what that is, but there we go. Looks like Star-Lord down there. Here we go. So read all about the search for the Mandalay gem, if you like. Personally, I'm not going to. I'm just going to get on with the building. When we're putting the final plate on the index middle finger there. And that will be the finger completed. So all the stuff we've done quite a lot, haven't we? So yeah, that'll be 3 fingers done, or 2 fingers and 1 thumb. So mainly we're yeah, certainly getting in there. So let's look at that in a moment. After looking at the In-Betweener. Yeah, not heard of him. There's a British TV series called The In-Betweeners, but that's about school kids, so it's nothing to do with him. Nothing to do with him at all. There we go. And Jeff, Emotional Space. There we go. Some sort of artist or writer, I'm not sure which, but if you want to read that, feel free. Let's clear this out of the way. Let's get this finger finished. So here we have the finger so far, the parts from today. Another pack of screws, which I'm not going to be using. I have got 1 screw left in this packet, which is convenient because I need 1 more screw for this part of the build. So let's do that. And we've got the other little cover to go over there. So this is the final piece, which fits just like that, really. Nice and easy. Screw to hold it in place. Like this. Oh. The only one of these I've had any trouble with at all. Go. So we've got the nice biggest finger of the lot. All completed now, ready to go. Tighten that down, make sure it all operates as it should. It does. Then we've got our final cover to throw on the floor. Let me dig that up and put that together. But then that will be the finger completed. Now, next time is a no build episode, but we will be looking at things. It does in fact show in the magazine, you know, look at what you've done so far. So I will be getting all of the parts out and we'll have a good look at them next time. So thank you very much for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye for now.